What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, since the egg fast will be ending, I decided to take a trip to Costco and gonna go look for some nice ketovore-ish type foods. I have quite a big list, and I figured I'd bring you with me. We'll wander through the store. For whatever reason, it seems a little bit crowded today, but I don't care. I'm by myself, and we'll have a nice day at Costco. All right, so some of the things I do want to get, I mean, you'll be already familiar with it. I obviously need more eggs. I want to pick up some ground beef. I want to get some chicken thighs, just some other types of protein since I've been having the eggs for the last almost full week now. Want to get some fish, want to get some coffee, just again, set myself up. And then this way I can do some meal prep and be good for the week to come. Woohoo! Out of there. It was a mob scene. I don't know why it was so busy, but it was. Heading over to the Jeep, packing up, heading home, and we'll get this stuff put away. Woo! So how could you beat 25 cents for a bottle of water? When I go to work in our kitchen, we have a vending machine. These are $2 for the same bottle. So we know where the vendor goes and gets his water from, and then 25 cents. Oh my God. I wish I had more change because I probably would have grabbed a couple, but doesn't matter. I always get a water on my way out. It's just something good to have. And yeah, what's so interesting about the egg fast is my appetite is that big. And so I'm wandering around looking at all the foods and just usually I get a craving like, oh, look at that. And then I start thinking, oh, when I get home, I'm going to have a bite. Nothing. So, whew, guys, try the egg fast. I'm telling you, it works. And feeling so good.